Getting ready to get out with the Garmin Mini 3 Plus for the first time, but I was kind of holding off because I was waiting for these to show up. I'm going to go ahead and pull off this screen protector that comes with it, and you can see that the screen is still nice. I left this on mostly to make sure no dust or scratches happened before I got these screen protectors. So let's go ahead and open this up, and what we've got is kind of a prep kit, and then we have the 3 screen protectors there. And then looks like, oh, I see. There's the screen protectors are separated like that. So then we can get the prep kit. And what this is going to do is get a wet wipe to clean the screen, and then a microfiber cloth to dry and remove any lint. Then we'll put one of the screens on there. Looks like in that set there's also some dust absorbers, so if you did have some persistent dust after you wet wipe and then use the microfiber, then you can kind of dab with those stickers, those adhesives. You can dab off whatever persistent lint might be on there before you put your screen on. So now with that microfiber, we've got a nice clean screen. Now we can drop on one of the protector screens. There are a number of them in the kit, so you'll know you're pulling one out when you have the front and back. Keep the others for in the future. If you ever damage this one, you just peel it off and replace it with one of these new ones. So this is the back, this is the front, so we'll remove the back one first. That way we have something to hold on to here for the front and a way to adjust it. This really makes it easy to guide it into place. Once we see that it's in place, we'll push down so that all the bubbles or anything might come out. Then we can peel off this top protective layer, and we now, well, now we'll get rid of those bubbles. We now have a nice protective finish on our Garmin. Yep, pretty impressed with how easy that is. And there's 6 of them in there, so if you have any issues, you can always just replace the screen with another one. Hope this helps.